This is your boy X Claymore Lord X coming to you with another video. This is going to be a tutorial to how to change the oil of a Coastal 50 moped. So what you're going to need is a bucket, of course, a funnel so you can pour your oil into, of course your oil, and a 1/2-inch wrench with a 17mm bolt. So as you can see, and you need your tarp so you can sit down on the ground. As you can see, right here is your oil. This is where you take the thing out and you can check the oil, and you want to make sure the oil covers all 5 of the X's. With mine, it's only barely covering them. So of course, you know, that's where the oil goes. Now this is where you drain the oil. This piece right here, that's where you take off, and that's where all the oil comes out. So first things first, no, I'm not the realist. Don't pull that Iggy Azalea stuff on me. You're going to need to drain the oil. So this is going to get really nasty, so I'm going to put this right here. Alright. It's about to spit out oil on me. I can already feel it. And boom goes the dynamite. Yep, there's that oil. Now let me move this for a second. Sorry about that. Let me put that under there. Yeah. As you can see, all that oil seeping in there. And I even got some on my hands. Now we wait for that to completely drain, and then we'll go on to the next step. This is one nasty job, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. All over my hand. Yeah, this is kind of a lengthy process because it's only spilling out so quickly. So let me put you up like that. Whew, this is a nasty job. Still draining. Once that's done, we could, let's see, fill her up with oil. Yeah, it's still draining, so we have to wait for all of it to get out. Oh, it was dripping on the other side as well. But you can easily go down to the local Lowe's or Home Depot and get a wrench this size. It's a 1/2-inch wrench with a 17mm bolt. So in case, like with the piece that comes with the scooter, you don't like the feel of that, you can easily go down and get this for about, I think it was like 15 or 20 bucks, I think. So it's not that expensive, and the oil 10W40 at the local convenience store is only about $5. So you could probably be spending about $30 for it. After that, you already have the wrench, and then you could easily just change it every 1,000 kilometers. Looks like it's about done draining. Still got some left in there. It's not much though. We're gonna wait till it gets completely done dripping. Yeah, my hands are all oily. I wonder what this stuff tastes like. Yeah. I didn't lick it. Well, I guess that will be good enough right there because it's slowing down. Now, just to show you, that's how much dripped out of there. That's a decent amount. So let's take the bucket out, put that right over there. Let's sit this over here at the moment so we don't have to worry about that. Next, what you're going to have to do is re-screw the stuff back up in there because you got to put the oil back in there. So just the way you did it before, you take your 17-inch bolt, 17mm thingy, just lefty loosey righty tighty. Wait, hold up. It's still dripping. Actually, I think you could just screw it in. Yeah, you could just screw that sucker right back in. Once it gets pretty up there tight, just take your wrench. And just tighten her up. Let me do it like this. Nope, wrong way. Yeah. She's up there. Alright, now, next, let me rinse off my hands, because I don't like greasy hands. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, with your hands now washed, sort of. Well, my hands, like this. You want to take your little funnel, your little funnel thingy. See, as you can see, this thing has no oil in it because the things aren't covered. I'm going to put that up in there. Now what you want to do is put 3/4 of this. And as you can see, I got a little side on it. This right here still has a little over, whoop, I'm holding my thing upside down. It has, oh, I was holding it right. Still has about a half. So we only have to put a fourth of that. So, let's set it down for a second. Okay. Let me put it like this. Take the oil, put a fourth in it first. So fill it up a little bit. Alright, so let's get that to the 8. Ooh, I want to fill her up too fast, huh? Alright, it's at the 8, let it sit in there for a second. Let it, get in there. Alright. Let it just sit there for a second, and then pour the rest. Get out of here, bug. I'm working. Alright. It's dripping again. Ew. Now with that in there, let's check it to see how much is in there actually. So all you have to do is just dip it in there real good, bring it out. It's covering the excess just slightly. So now we need to pour a little bit from this one. So let me move you right there. Hopefully it'll stay. Nope. I gotta put my wrench behind it. There we go. Now since we put half of it in here, we would only need a fourth of this. So when this gets to the little 20 symbol, if you see that little 20, I don't have to pour that much in it. Alright, so I got a little ways. It's at the 28. Alright, there we go. Let's check it again just to make sure. You don't want to overfill it. And there you go. All the X's are covered a good amount. And that's about it. So that's how you change your oil for this baby. So I hope this has been some form of educational purposes for you guys. You learned something from it. So yeah, this is your host, X Claim Warlord X out. Peace.